Guys, Goldie Rutherford here with another Brizy Cloud tutorial. Today I want to quickly show you how to create a better photo album in Brizy Cloud. The built-in gallery in Brizy Cloud is okay, but it just doesn't have much in the way of options for changing the way it appears, for sliders and for thumbnails and etc. So I'm here in my Brizy Cloud page, and I could add a gallery from within here, but what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to go across to Elfsite here, which is one of my favorite little tools. Elfsite is allows you to add a wide range of different little widgets to your site. There's a free account in Elfsite which allows you to have, I think, 200 views a month to each of your widgets. If you want to upgrade, then it's not a huge cost to do so. But there's a free account, so sign up and have a look, have a play, and see what you think. Anyway, there will be a button down below this video on the page in my Brizy Cloud where you can go through and sign up. So I will show you here how to do this. So basically, if you're in Elfsite and you're in your applications, you will be able to add. Let's see here. Photo gallery. So I'm going to create a new widget here. And when you create a new widget, first thing to do is name it. Okay, so you can see here you've got a range of different options. Sorry, just get my face out of your way, if I can here. You've got a range of different options here. You've got a image with thumbnails. We've got a e-com style product listing. We've got photo shoot style, so we've got with the titles underneath. We've got this one here is more of a masonry style. A slider, which you can set to automatically slide. Someone asked about that recently. And we've got a grid. So let's try the grid here. You can see here as you scroll across each of these, the information that you put into it will appear above the photo. So to edit that, you can just pop into each of the images. You can change the image by just deleting that and adding your own, or you can change the information here. And now that says guitar rather than Gibson. So it's very editable. You can delete, you can add, you can change as much as you like. Within here, you can also change the settings. Now, if you don't like the grid, you can go into here and change it to the masonry or the horizontal masonry or thumbnails or a slider. I'm going to go with this grid for now. I'm going to go apply and save. Okay, now that pops up with a little bit of code here. I just click on this bit of code and it copies to my copies there, and I'm going to go back to my Brizy Cloud page and I'm going to add an embed to my page, and in my embed I'm going to add this little bit of code I got from Elfsite. So you see there, it didn't save, not sure what happened there. So there's my Elfsite code there. Now there is one unfortunate thing, is that these Elfsite widgets don't appear in the editor. So in order to actually preview them, you need to update and then preview the page. Once that loads, and it links to your widget there, you can see now that I have a better photo gallery sitting here on my page. Now, if I was to go back into my Elfsite account and change anything about that widget, I want to edit that. Let's say I want to change the layout. I'm now going to make this a vertical masonry like so. I'm going to apply and save. Go back to my page, refresh my page, and it'll take a little second to load, and I now have the vertical masonry. So any changes I make within Elfsite will appear automatically on the site. I don't have to change the code or anything. Okay, I hope this Brizy Cloud tutorial has been helpful to you, and I will talk to you soon.